Lila the Lioness loved cooking and decided to enter a local cooking competition. She wanted to create a unique dish that would impress the judges. Lila spent hours in the kitchen, experimenting with different recipes. One day, she accidentally burned her dish and felt disheartened. Her friend, Manny the monkey, suggested trying a different approach. With Manny's encouragement, Lila tried combining unusual ingredients. She created a delicious and innovative dish, but worried it wasn't good enough. On the day of the competition, Lila felt nervous but hopeful. She presented her dish to the judges, who were intrigued by its unique flavors. Lila watched anxiously as the judges tasted her creation. They were impressed and praised her creativity and skill. Lila won first place, receiving a trophy and applause from the audience. She felt proud of her hard work and determination to succeed. Lila celebrated with Manny, grateful for his support and encouragement. She learned that perseverance and innovation can lead to great achievements. If you enjoyed Lila's cooking adventure, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tasty stories.